What's up guys, Caleb here, Caleb's Property Maintenance. Thank you for coming back to part 2 of the lawn renovation. I am excited. As you can see here behind me, the zoysia is finally dead. Man, it took forever, a whole lot longer than I thought it would take. I believe we had to spray it 3 complete times, and the third time it was so close to dead, but it just wasn't quite, so I had to make sure, because if any of you guys know, if you did not get it fully dead, you will have it come back. It's almost a guarantee. So it's fully dead now, super great, super happy with it. Now we're on to step 2 here, and that is to power rake up the dead grass here, so that way we're to bare dirt. Now it doesn't have to be 100% perfect bare dirt, as long as we can just get the majority of it. That's all that we're really looking for. So I'm expecting to go over this twice, possibly where the zoysia is, possibly do that 3 times. I really don't know. We'll just see how it goes and we'll take it from there. I'm not looking to use this as a tiller and till in any way. I just want to get the dead grass up. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. I think that's about what I want, that second. There's a little bit of high spot there, but I think that's what I want. Time over. I maybe should have kept it at the first height. I got about 50%. There's certain undulation parts where it almost acts like a tiller because of the way the ground is. So I'm gonna pick all this stuff up. I got my blower, we'll blow it all out and pick it up, and then I'll probably lower the blades, and then we may have to go over it a third time. We'll see how much I can get on this second pass. So I don't think you need to see me blow it. I'll catch up with you in a little bit. Alright guys, this is after the second pass that I've done. I don't know about you, but I can't tell much of a difference from looking at it from the street. If you look at it from the top down, you can see a lot more difference. We're gonna have a pretty full load in the back of the truck, so it's not that this didn't do anything, but I think I'm just gonna call it good, especially on the second time. After we got this stuff blown to the street, I noticed that there was a lot more dirt with the second pass than with the first pass, so I don't want to lose too much dirt here because I got to play with dirt and move this around. So I'm just going to call it good with that. I know some instructions say that you can use the dethatcher as a tiller. Ours didn't go past the 4-inch setting. It's supposed to go all the way down to 6, but the way it raises and lowers, it's only going to 4. And my dad took a look at it and said that something with the axle has to be...
Oh my goodness, what are you doing to my lawn? I'm gonna bash your head in, oh my goodness!
Oh man, that's the owner there. Anyway, so we are going to call it good here, and then I'm just going to finish this up. I'll show you here from the top down, and then we'll call it. So like you can see, it's not too thick, but there still is a good bit there. But I am not going to worry about it. There are certain spots where it was uneven, where it got really nice, how I wanted the whole thing to look, but I'm not going to worry about it. We'll just till everything and it'll be fine. It doesn't have to be 100% perfect. Quiet. It doesn't have to be 100%. What did I say? Quiet. Ellie, it's okay. Quiet. Doesn't have to be 100%. It's okay.